Camping is one of the most popular outdoor activities there is, and for good reason. It's a great way to get outside, relax, and enjoy nature. But if you want to cook your food outdoors, you need the right cooking equipment. So in this video we will discuss 5 best camping cookware for open fire. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Overmont Camp Dutch Oven. Dutch ovens have been a staple of campfire cooking for ages. A good cast iron Dutch oven has so many uses it's difficult to know where to start. You can cook everything from stews and soups to roasting chickens and more. The Overmont Camp Dutch Oven is a great foundation for your camping cookware collection. This Dutch oven has a lid that can also be used as a skillet, making it even more useful. It has a carrying handle and they include a lid lifter as well. Both the Dutch oven and the lid have legs, allowing it to be more stable sitting in the fire or anywhere else. The handle can be used to hang it from a tripod if you don't want it directly sitting in the fire. Like all cast iron cookware, it has no non-stick coating to scratch and wear off. It gets seasoned over time but fills its porosity with grease and oils. Over time, as seasoning builds up, it gets easier and easier to clean. It comes pre-seasoned with a starter coat of oil. You can continue to season it through use, or you can add seasoning to it at home in a conventional oven. The Overmont Camp Dutch Oven will make a great addition to anyone's camping cookware set. Number 2. Yodo Aluminum Camping Cookware Set. If weight is a big concern for you, then aluminum is a good choice for campfire cookware. The Yodo Camping Cookware Set is a good lightweight cookware set. It weighs in at only 2.9 pounds for the complete set, and all the pieces nest together into a 5.5-inch diameter by 8-inch tall stack. A mesh carry bag is included to hold everything together. All of this is in one nice package for a low price. This cookware set is made from anodized aluminum. This is safer and healthier than using Teflon and most other non-stick coatings. With proper care and practice, it is easy to cook with, without creating a burnt, stuck mess to clean up with later. You should follow the included directions for cooking and cleaning for best results. This will ensure your Yodo cookware lasts a long time. This set includes 4 anodized aluminum pots and pans for cooking. It includes a variety of BPA-free plastic bowls, plates and utensils for eating with. Do not try to cook with the plastic items over an open fire or they will melt. As a bonus, they also include a natural loofah sponge for cleaning with. Number 3. Stanley Even Heat Camp Pro Cookset. High quality and easy to store, Stanley's Cookset really covers all of your culinary bases, especially when you're looking for the best camping cookware for an open fire. Made from stainless steel, that's actually non-stick, it will last you a lifetime, whether you're using it on a stove or over a hot campfire. The non-stick properties also make cleaning up a breeze, saving you a lot of effort when you may not have a sink handy. You may notice the spatula and spoon in the picture above, those are included with the set, along with a cutting board. Each has a 2-piece handle, so they're easy to take apart and put into storage. In fact, everything nests perfectly inside of the largest stock pot, so you only have to worry about one big package instead of several smaller items. Everything has a nice heft to it as well, which provides some confidence that it will actually last for a while. Of course, the extra weight will limit your mobility, but that's a sacrifice I believe is worth making. The quality is second to none, and may actually be better than what you have in the cupboards back home. Number 4. Lixada Camping Titanium Cookware Set. Titanium cookware is the ultimate choice if you want the absolute lightest weight. Titanium is lighter than stainless steel or aluminum and also very corrosion resistant. It can be damaged from too much heat, so you do have to use some care. If you want the lightest weight cookware set for backpacking, titanium is the way to go. The Lixada Camping Titanium Cookware Set includes 2 pots, lids and a foldable sport for eating with. All the items nest together into a 3.3-inch diameter by 3.7-inch tall stack. The total weight of this set including the carrying bag is 0.8 pounds, making it perfect for backpack cooking. Titanium retains heat similar to stainless steel, which makes it good for cooking. The larger pot has both a handle for holding it like a cup and a bail handle so you can hang it over a fire for cooking. You can hang it from a tripod to help control the heat of whatever you're cooking. This is one of the best camping cookware for open fires available for backpacking. Its small size and lightweight makes it a perfect choice for your next hike. Number 5. GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cookset. The GSI Outdoors Pinnacle Camper Cookset comes with almost everything you could want for cooking at the fire. It is a 20-piece set that comes with pots, frying pan, bowls, cups and even includes a wash basin. It uses premium Teflon radiance coatings over anodized aluminum. This makes them durable, scratch-resistant and easy to clean. The set is expensive and it should last. The pots and frying pan use a folding pot handle that collapses for storage inside the stack. It works well but can get a little hotter than some handles. The materials and coatings work well for distributing heat and cooking. The cuts are in wedge shapes that nest inside everything. They include lids for storing ingredients or leftovers. All the cups and bowls are color-coded so you can tell which one belongs to who. Everything nests nicely for storage. The included wash basin also doubles as the carrying case. The GSI Pinnacle Camper Cookset includes everything you need. It is made from high-end materials and coatings for superior cooking performance and cleaning. This makes it our top pick for best camping cookware for cooking over a fire. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.